Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to toggle showing headgear during cutscenes in this game. To do that, you have to enter options which you can do either by starting the game, or if you are already in game, then press escape, then go to options, then select game, and then to change to toggle showing headgear during cutscenes, just switch this toggle to either on or off. If you select on, then the headgear will be shown, and if you select off, then of course it will not be. And to apply settings, just press right key of your mouse or escape to leave this menu. Once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied automatically, and that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.